New month, new beginning, and gold has made its intention clear by giving a good breakout towards 2090 levels. In my daily and weekly reviews, I have mentioned various times, several times, that I'll be looking forward to a breakout beyond 2050 and 2065 levels. We will look forward to 2084 levels, and then the targets on the upside are far beyond 2120. Now, can we expect it to continue with this movement in the coming week as well and in the month of March? And if yes, what is going to be the targets? How to profit trading gold? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon as I do share twice a day updates for gold. First with the Asia session, next with the US session, and before the major great news events. So do watch that as well. And do like, share, and comment, friends. Your every like, comment, and share is a great. First, let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, one thing is very clear: the crossover here and the divergence in the moving averages suggest that gold is turning bullish. This crossover, if you look at it, is coming at a bottom and the prices are taking support. You can see these two candles taking support from the 20 period moving average. With that, it has given a breakout. Now, remember one thing, the lows are far below now at around 2040. I have mentioned previously as well, first support now is going to be 2060-65, which was the resistance. Now 2040-42 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal, and below 2020 is only where you should treat gold as bearish, else it is not to be treated bearish. Now look at the near term charts of gold on the daily chart. See this rise retracement, then you should draw a parallel to here. It has breached this channel, and I have mentioned earlier as well, see, if you look at the near term, you will find this is the retracement and now it is giving the breakout. Now this breakout is very, very important because it is coming after a major retracement and it is running upwards. Second thing here is, if you look at these two candles here, you will find 2090 levels to be a good resistance. Now we have to wait for it to stay above 2090, and certainly one can say that gold may give a very strong momentum on the upside, and in fact it can breach the all-time highs as well towards 2170 or $2200 levels. But here is a point, here is a catch. See, it has given a breakout after a long time, after almost couple of months we have seen this bullish candle, and also it is coming with a good base here now, so possibility for it to continue with the momentum exists. However, there are greater resistances, first at 2100, then at 2120, 2150, and then beyond that we will look forward to a stronger rise towards 2200. Remember one more thing, the stochastic has entered into overbought levels. While look at MACD. Now let me show something on MACD. Look at this rise, then the retracement and the crossover here. Now see, this is the retracement, slow and gradual retracement. Now it is crossing over here. It can lead to the top again, which means more bullishness. RSI is also back in the overbought zone. This is just on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the week. Now look at the weekly charts here. Rise, retracement to the 20 period, rise, retracement to the 20 period, and it has retraced enough. See, I have been waiting for bullishness in gold since long. I have mentioned several times in my updates that yes, a breakout beyond 2060-65 is what I'll be waiting for. It has breached the levels, but now the next levels which are coming into picture are 2080, 2090 zone. We have seen couple of candles reversing from the same. Thus, because beyond this, definitely we are looking forward to 2100 and 2120 as the next milestones. Now, one must also notice it has taken a very, very good support from 20 period. Also, it is showing a reversal sign, first bullish candle, and since then it has traded bullish. So now, in the coming week, if gold is seen trading above 2090 and $2100 levels, stay bullish. We will look forward to 2120, 2150 as the next targets, and in fact we can look forward to 2178 and $2200 in the near future. Be watchful of this. Next is, if you look at the stochastic, this has started to rise. This was the rise, retracement, and it is looking vertically up. It can possibly enter into overbought zone. However, one thing you should keep a note of, look at the waves in gold. First wave, second wave, third wave. Remember, it has not yet crossed over on the buy side. This is the only caution point which I am having right now. It has to cross over and lead to a rise from here, diverge, which means couple of bullish candles from here, and this will pave the way for gold to rise further for next multiple weeks. Be watchful. RSI is rising as well, certainly is a good sign for. Also on the weekly charts, moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. Coming to monthly chart. Now look at the monthly charts. Rise, retracement towards 20 period, rise. It started to retrace, failed to break below 1980 levels. We have seen it reversing. Now look at these two candles, the preceding candles, one red body, one smaller green body suggests that this was trading with a swing and with a diminishing bullishness, bearishness. And if you look at lower highs, lower lows, and this candle has already started on a flat note, on a bullish note. But remember, it can reverse completely. It can reverse completely. Only a reversal is not possible if it breaks beyond 2100, because see this much and 2100, 2120, if this much move is already taken, the chances of a complete reversal will be existing. And which event can trigger a complete reversal? The interest rate decision from Fed coming in on 20th of March, and the Chairman Powell's speech and future projections is what going to determine the reversal, if at all gold is willing to completely reverse from the current level. But before that, it can achieve double all-time high levels as well. So this is one thing you should. And if you look at the pattern, rise, retracement, and it is again starting to rise, so it appears it can try to hit higher highs before reversing. Be watchful of this. Moving averages, trading with divergence and bullishness. If you look at the stochastic, this is retraced a little. The MACD, now look at MACD, it is trading with divergence and bullishness. I have shared several times. See, after the crossover, see, look at the preceding move. Preceding move was a strong bearish move. It has crossed over after weeks of bearishness, months of bearishness, and now looking upwards. So yes, it has further potential for it to rise. Those who fail to watch my monthly review and my annual review before the beginning of 2024 should have a look at it and see why we had expected that for next to 3 to 6 months gold might try to trade bullish. If you look at the RSI, this is also rising here, certainly signs of bullishness. Coming to 4 hours, one thing, let me caution you. See, the faster the rise leads to a faster drop as well. We have seen it happening in the month of December. 2148 got achieved with the big week beginning itself, and then it has erased almost all of the gains in couple of candles. So you should be cautious. You should be strictly trailing your stop losses. Now look at the 4 hour charts as well. See, on the 4 hour charts, after this crossover, see, bouncing back, bouncing back, bouncing back, and then this leap here. So this is what we call a breakout. And look at the moving averages are trading with divergence and are looking. But remember, too much of divergence calls for it to show a pullback. Where is the base? 2040 levels. Only and only if gold breaks down below 2040, you should treat this as bearish. This complete zone between 2040 and 2020 is going to be the critical level for the month of March. The far it goes from the levels at 2040, 2020, the more bullish it is going to be considered. And once it breaks beyond 2120, we are looking forward to 2150 levels. Now look, stochastic is overbought here. MACD is extremely divergent and bullish. This must try to converge, but before that, my worry is it can try to achieve the highs before reversing. RSI is also extremely overbought. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. What to expect in the from gold? Now we will let me share with you the trading levels so that you can all trade profitably. Now, before I share the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch starting on 4th of March. Couple of seats are available. You can reserve your seats. Reach out to me for details. See, equip yourself with the tools, strategies, and the trade setups which can help you trade profitably, identify profitable trades and trends, and trade with confidence. Also, those who want to join just the signals channel on Telegram, you can ping me on Telegram itself, or you can write an email. For any of your queries related to the mentorship batch or the signals channel, you can reach out. And do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And those who asked me to recommend a broker which is available across the globe, including India, including Middle East and Europe and US as well, you can find the link of the broker which offers a swap-free account with least spreads and where everything, any instrument traded across the globe is available. You can just join through the link. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. See, I will recommend you to buy here at 20 2086 levels. Wait for it to break beyond 2091. Now, this is the first zone it gold needs to break in the coming week. If you see gold is staying above 2091, stay long, and we will look forward to 2102. This is going to be the next resistance, staying above which I will be looking forward to 2117.5 and 2021.5. This is going to be the critical zone for gold to break past by, and certainly these will remain achievable levels. If gold stays above 2100, stay bullish, sooner or later it is going to break past by this zone, and beyond that 2150 to be 2145, 50 to be seen here. The next targets, see, this is the all-time high levels, and thus breaking beyond which you will expect, or you can expect it to trade higher, if not in the month of March, maybe in the month of April, but then I will be looking forward to 2210 and higher levels. Yes, it is possible. However, we have to see both the sides of the trades. These are markets. If it takes you on one side, it can reverse the gear and catch everyone on the buy side and go on selling. Thus, you have to be very, very cautious. Remember, it appears bullish, but in markets, what it appears is not the case. Maybe with the interest rate hike decision or before the interest rate hike decision, from the middle of March, from the middle of this month, prices might reverse. Thus, you should be trading with caution whatever position you are taking here. I can only share where you should consider this as bullish. See, this is going to be the level on the upside, 2100, 2120. This zone is completely going to define the direction for its future move, and these are going to remain critical levels. On the downside, where to, I will recommend you to sell here at 2076 levels. Wait for 2071. This is the first support. Then my favorite 2062.5 and 2065. This is going to be the next support levels. Now, if it breaks below this, I will be looking forward to the next drop towards 2048 and then 2040. Gold is to be treated bearish. If you see gold trading below 2040, you can treat this as bearish. And specifically below 2020, you should call this as a reversal. Though I do not expect it to break below these levels soon. However, these are markets. It's my duty to give you both the levels such that you can remain cautious. Remember, you have to trail your stop losses. You have to always put your stop losses at the support levels and then wait for it to take trade in one direction. If it gets closed, you should not be worried. Your profits are reserved. And like, for example, you are buying at 86, your stop loss should be at 2076. If you are selling at 26, your stop loss to be at 2086. Now, see, these 10 to 100 pips are going to be the only risk which you are taking for the week and for the month. Because if it moves upward, you are going to tail it. If it moves downward, you are going to tail it. One thing, do watch the daily update, because this will decide. When I say a reversal is on the cards, you can sell at highs as well. So watch that as well. Have a great profitable trading month and trading week ahead. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do join the channel memberships. Do join the Signals channel and the mentorship batch and trade effectively. Reach out to me via Telegram or email. And you can also find the details on my platform forexfunda.com. All the links are shared here in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.